Nanababo Kabelen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. That is you! Alright, so for today's vlog, we would like to thank Sparkco PH for having us, experience their products. No? I want to introduce them to you as well. So they have a distributorship program which we are going to talk about later on. Let me name the mga products po na sinend nila sa atin. No? So I believe for men and women. So meron tayong D&G Light Blue. You have MALONE Nectarine. Meron tayong BVLGARI OMNIA Amethyste. We also have Clinique Happy Men, Davidoff Cool Water. Meron din tayong Ralph Lauren Polo Sport. This is a 100 ml bottle. This is also a 100 ml bottle. So, magkaiba lang yung shape ng ano nila. So, meron tayong dito, mga testers, and we're gonna test them one by one. How can I, describe the fragrance or the smell para sa inyo? Okay, so this one is Polo Sport Ralph Lauren. So, this is a Polo Sport Ralph Lauren. Polo Sport. It reminds me of my parang high school days, no? Polo Sport. Lagi akong merong ganito sa bag ko during that, time of my life. Of course, it has that, parang very well-known na amoy. Okay, so this one is Clinique Happy. This is for men. Again, it's a tester. So, dito naman tayo. So, again, Clinique. Grabe. Going back to the memory lane. So, yung mga ibang kaklase ko naman, of course, they do have this. So, this is an inspired perfume or a cologne. This one is BVLGARI OMNIA Amethyste. If I'm not mistaken, this is for women. Oh, yeah. It is. I believe. Ito naman is MALONE Nectarine. Wow. Wow! Pagkaamoy ko, guys, if I can describe it to you, parang a gentle lady pass by and then ganito yung amoy niya. It's so head turner. Bango. Next is, this is Davidoff Cool Water. I think yung mga for men nila, no, they are a bit familiar para sa akin kasi I had them when I was still in high school or college. Parang ganito yung mga ginagamit ko. Pero I can still remember how they really smell. So again, this is Cool Water. Oh yeah, I think for me this is the pinaka-simpleng fragrance dito sa group na to or batch na to. Parang low profile ka lang na pag dumarating ka. Oh, that's really good smell. Let's talk about some information about them. So, yung mga prices po nila for the 100 ml, it's just 180 pesos. So, this one, ito yung mga yon, 100 ml. This is also 100 ml. And then, for the 50 ml, it's just 95 pesos, which is this one, SRP. Now, let's talk about distributorship. Available po sila if you wanna start your business with them. So, the original distributorship, the initial entry is just 10,875. This is what you will get. And then the next, the provincial distributorship, it's just 4,800 pesos for the initial entry. They do also have district distributor, which is 3,500 pesos only. And then again, ito yung makukuha nyo dito. They do have the city distributorship. It is 1,900 pesos for the initial entry. The sub-city distributorship is just 1,025 pesos for the initial entry. And then lastly, if you wanna, just be a reseller or a member when you buy this, syempre may mga benefits po yan. It's just 660 pesos. They are locally made, affordable products. Ayan, that will help you make your personality, fragrance, and beauty sparkle. So again, guys, if you're interested to do business with them, small startup, probably you can try a fragrance business. Now, if you're just missing that Polo Sport or your Cool Water, the Clinique, you can message their fan page. They can do transaction with you on how you can buy these from them. So there you have it, guys. This is just really a quick video for Sparko.ph. We would like to thank them for being partnered with us on this vlog. Grabe, you guys rock. And sa inyo naman po nanonood, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next video because I'm gonna be there. Stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Peace!
Don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were born